Well boys, I think I spoke too soon. Brand new GoPro Mini 11 does freeze. Looks like it froze while charging again. Just was on the charger, regular old USB battery bank, and completely froze up. Ain't stopping him from flying. No, so now at this point you gotta long press it. So there definitely are still some glitches in the Mini 11, even after getting a replacement. Now it turns off. And now hopefully it'll wake up again. Ooh, not waking up. Not waking up. Hold it down for 10 seconds. I could be flying right now, GoPro. Instead, I'm fucking with the new Mini 11, the second Mini 11, the replacement Mini 11. All right, that's 10 seconds. Oh, it's coming back to life. It works again. So the issues have not been resolved.